Top Sensor Module. Fingerprint Sensor Module. These modules come with flash memory to store the fingerprints and work with any microcontroller or system with TTL serial. Speed Sensor Module. Here is a motor speed sensor module. The major goal is to check the rate of an electric motor. IR Infrared Flame Detection Sensor. The IR detector can detect low-frequency flickering IR radiation ranging from 1 to 15 Hz during combustion. Acceleration Module. Accelerometer can be used for tilt sensing applications as well as dynamic acceleration resulting from motion, shock, or vibration. Humidity and Rain Detection Sensor Module. It can be used as a switch when raindrop falls through the raining board and also for measuring rainfall intensity. MQ-to-gas Sensor Module. MQ-to-gas sensor is an electronic sensor used for sensing the concentration of gases in the air such as LPG. Rotary Encoder Sensor Module. Rotary encoders are used in a wide range of applications that require monitoring or control, or both, of mechanical systems, including industrial controls. Digital Thermal Sensor Module. Temperature sensors measure the amount of heat energy or even coldness that is generated by an object or system. Digital Barometric Pressure Sensor. The barometric sensor, also commonly known as the barometric air pressure sensor, is a type of engine management sensor commonly found on many vehicles. Soil Moisture Module. Soil Hygrometer Humidity Detection Module is used to detect moisture. Sound Sensor Module. The sound sensor is one type of module used to notice the sound. Generally, this module is used to detect the intensity of sound. IR Sensor Module. The IR sensor module consists mainly of the IR transmitter and receiver, op-amp, variable resistor, output LED in brief. IR LED transmitter. Photodiode Light Sensor Module. Photodiode module is most sensitive to the ambient light, generally used to detect the brightness of the ambient light intensity. Photoresistor Sensor Module. Photoresistor Photoelectric Sensor Module. LDR sensor module is used to detect the intensity of light. It is associated with both analog output pin and digital output pin labeled as AO and DO respectively on the board. Hall Sensor Module. Based on the Hall effect, a Hall sensor is a one that varies its output voltage in response to a magnetic field. PLUSE Sensor Module. The pulse sensor module has a light which helps in measuring the pulse rate. When we place the finger on the pulse sensor. HC SR501 Pyroelectric Infrared Sensor. The PIR sensor module allows you to sense motion. It is almost always used to detect the motion of a human body within the sensor's range. SW420 Motion Sensor. This is an SW420 vibration module, which can work from 3.3V to the 5V. The sensor uses LM393 comparator to detect the vibration over a threshold point and provide digital data. Knock Sensor Module. A knock sensor or a vibration sensor is a simple device that detects vibrations or shocks from knocking or tapping it. It is basically an electronic switch which normally open. Bluetooth Module. The Bluetooth technology manages the communication channel of the wireless part. The Bluetooth modules can transmit and receives the data wirelessly by using two devices. Joystick Sensor Module. Joystick is an input device. Analog joystick is sometimes called as control stick. It is used to control the pointer movement in two-dimension axis. Color Sensor Module is based on TCS 3200 RGB sensor chip and 4 white LEDs. It can detect and measure a nearly limitless range of visible colors. Applications include test strip reading, sorting by color. Metal Sensor with LM393 Detection Touch Sensor Module. Metal Detector. Metal detector is an electronic instrument that detects the presence of metal nearby. Metal detectors are useful for finding metal inclusions hidden within objects. Temperature and Humidity Sensor Module. The DHT11 uses an internal thermistor and a capacitive humidity sensor to determine environment conditions. Gprs Gsm Module. A GSM GPRS module is used to enable communication between a microcontroller. RF 433 MHz transmitter receiver. An RF transmitter receives serial data and transmits it wirelessly through RF through its antenna connected at pin 4.